Put aside your worries, bring out your curiosity, and start an amazing journey into the strange world of spiders. Find out about some of the strangest spiders on the planet, with characteristics and behaviors that seem more at home in science fiction than in the real world. Peacock spider, Meridus volans. The peacock spider, formerly known as Meridus volans, is native to the continent down under, also known as Australia. It was called after the flamboyant exhibition of the male peacock. These spiders defy the stereotypical and frequently terrifying perception of spiders with their vibrant colors and unusual mating dances. Peacock spiders are tiny members of the jumping spider family, with the average length of the males being about 5 millimeters. Despite their diminutive size, they are quite the sight. Male peacock spiders have an abdomen that expands and resembles a fan and is decorated with designs that almost appear to have been painstakingly painted on. This spider's rich coloration is not merely for aesthetic's sake, it is essential to its special courtship ritual. The male peacock spider extends and vibrates his abdomen while conducting an elaborate dance to attract the female, much like a peacock unfolding its spectacular feathers. The world of the peacock spider features a remarkable diversity of performances, each species presenting a distinctive dance. They are one of the few spiders that can distinguish between different hues because to their superb vision. This keen sight aids them in their intricate hunting and courting procedures. Peacock spiders are aggressive hunters who pounce on their unaware victims with precision, in contrast to many spiders that trap their prey in webs. While these spiders do have venom for their victims, it doesn't pose a serious threat to humans despite their colorful look and theatrical behavior. The peacock spider is an amazing illustration of how spiders, which are typically thought of as being creepy and dangerous, can defy stereotypes by displaying vibrant personality and an alluring natural spectacle. This small species is evidence that there is much more to learn about spiders than first appears, frequently upsetting our expectations and inspiring astonishment. Assassin spider, Archaeidae. The assassin spiders of the Raresidae family can be found skulking in the ancient woods of Madagascar, Australia, and South Africa. They are deserving of their sinister moniker. These spiders are referred to as spider assassins because of their deadly propensity and peculiar look. The assassin spider has an odd body shape, with long necks and jaws that give them an almost extraterrestrial appearance. These peculiar physical characteristics have a lethal function, aiding them in their assassination techniques. To capture their prey, which is usually another spider, they use their extended jaws with deadly fangs. The extended neck, their ability to reach out to their prey from a distance while hiding, offers them an advantage over other spider species. They use stealth and speed in their hunting technique, sneaking up on their unsuspecting prey, instantly administering a lethal bite, and then fleeing to consume their kill at a safe distance. The size of these spiders, which typically ranges from 2 mm to 10 mm, is another notable characteristic. Their modest size aids in their ability to remain undetected by their target, which enhances their deadly hunting technique. In addition to their distinct hunting strategies, assassin spiders are significant and fascinating because they belong to one of the oldest living spider lineages. This family's fossils, which are approximately 50 million years old, provide important information about the evolution of spiders. Goliath bird-eating spider, Theraphosa blondi. The Goliath bird-eating spider is the largest spider in terms of bulk among the legion of the world spiders. The Theraphosa blondi, which is mostly found in the upland rainforest regions of northern South America, is a very amazing animal with leg spans up to 11 inches, almost the size of a dinner plate, and body weights up to 6 ounces. The name of these spiders comes from their ability to feed on small birds. However, they often eat a wider variety of food, including insects, amphibians, and rodents. They ambush their victims at night, paralyzing them with venom before crushing and devouring their meal with their sharp fangs. While their venom can be uncomfortable for humans, Goliath bird-eating spiders are not extremely dangerous to us despite their rather fearsome image. The spider's main defense against humans is a fairly unusual one. When threatened, it will kick up urticating hairs from its abdomen into the air, which can itch and hurt if they come into contact with skin or eyes. Along with their enormous size, Goliath bird-eating spiders exhibit a fascinating behavior known as stridulation when under danger. This behavior results in a hissing sound that can be heard up to 15 feet away. This sound, together with their enormous size, serves to scare off any prospective predators. The Goliath bird-eating spider is one of the most unusual and fascinating spiders in the world due to its enormous size, diversified food, and intriguing activities. Its presence in the thick forests of South America contributes to the ecosystem's abundant and frequently surprising biodiversity. Brazilian wandering spider, Phenutria. The Brazilian wandering spider, or Phenutria, can be found in the tropical areas of Central and South America. Instead of spending their entire lives in a cave or a web, these nocturnal spiders prey by prowling the jungle floor at night. This is how they got their moniker. The Greek word Phenutria, which means murderous, is not just a mere threat. Brazilian wandering spiders are some of the most poisonous spiders in the planet. Their venom is a strong neurotoxin that can have lethal effects on humans very rarely. Antivenom is widely accessible, though, and fatalities from bites are uncommon. Although they have a bad reputation for being aggressive, these spiders are extremely important for maintaining insect populations in their habitats because they hunt at night, maintaining the ecosystem's equilibrium. When attacked, the Brazilian wandering spider raises its two front legs, which is one of its most interesting habits. Any predator or human being is given a stern warning when a raven raises its teeth, indicating that it is prepared to strike if the situation continues. Another fascinating feature of these spiders is their mating ritual, which involves males vibrating their bodies and waving their petty pulps to attract females. The females are known to engage in sexual cannibalism, frequently eating the males after mating, making it a risky game for the males. Mirror spider, Thwaitesia argentio-punctata. The mirror spider, or Thwaitesia argentio-punctata, is a little and aesthetically appealing arachnid that is native to Australia. It is most known for its unusually reflecting abdomen, which gives it its name. This spider's abdomen has many guanine crystals, which are reflective patches that can alter size according on the spider's level of relaxation or contraction. This amazing adaptation produces a shimmering effect that is nearly mirror-like and can reflect the colors of the surroundings, making them very difficult to see while motionless. The beauty of the mirror spider, despite its diminutive size of roughly 3 millimeters, is undeniable. When sunlight catches their abdomen, the silvery spots glisten in a kaleidoscopic display that is breathtaking to see. Orb weavers, mirror spiders create flat spiral-shaped webs to capture their prey. They can take advantage of their distinctive reflecting camouflage to stay relatively still while hunting, avoiding predators. Little is known about their behavior and life cycle, despite their remarkable look. We know that their unique guanine crystals are an extraordinary adaptation for survival, but their cryptic character, small size, and unusual habitat make them a challenging subject for extended study. The spider's capacity to adjust the size of these patches shows a remarkable amount of control over this trait. The shifting silver patches can fool potential predators. The mirror spider and the Brazilian wandering spider both serve as examples of how adaptable and diverse the spider kingdom is. These spiders have carved out their niches and continue to captivate those who are bold enough to study them, whether it be through lethal venom or mesmerizing camouflage. Happy face spider, Theridion growlator. The smiley face spider may be an unexpected source of levity when exploring the lush rainforests of the Hawaiian Islands. The scientific term Theridion growlator comes from the unusual pattern on its abdomen, which frequently resembles a smiley face or a clown's grin. The smiley face design and a variety of other conceivable markings are supposed to prevent predators in this small spider, which is usually less than 5 millimeters long. The range of styles is diverse. Some happy face spiders sport a variety of dots and splotches rather than the recognizable design. Individuals from the same clutch of eggs have various markings, suggesting that the patterns are random. Happy face spiders are nocturnal, hiding on the underside of leaves during the day and emerging to hunt and feed at night. They are non-aggressive and pose no threat to people. Their venom is only used to sedate their prey, primarily small insects that get caught in their webs. The maternal instincts of smiling face spiders are an intriguing feature. In order to safeguard their young, females are known to guard their eggs until they hatch by depriving themselves. Although prevalent among spiders, behavior is a sign of how complicated their activities and life cycles are. Diving bell spider, Argyroneta aquatica. Argyroneta aquatica, the only spider known to spend its entire life underwater, welcomes you to the aquatic realm of the diving bell spider. The wonders of the spider world are brought to the depths below the diving bell by this spider, which is found in freshwater ponds and slow-moving streams in Europe and Asia. The bubble of air that a spider creates using the small hairs on its abdomen and hind legs to form a diving bell, which serves as its supply of oxygen underwater, gives it the name spider. The spider refreshes this bubble on a regular basis by darting to the surface to gather air and then diving back into its underwater haven. These spiders have evolved to create their webs among water plants when prey stumbles, which poses unique problems because they must adapt their web-building activities to the aquatic environment. Surprisingly, these spiders also mate and lay their eggs beneath water. When they sense movements in the web, they rush out to paralyze the object with venom. The females build a larger diving bell that acts as a nursery for their eggs, where they remain to watch over them until they hatch. Diverse bell spiders have adapted remarkably to aquatic living despite their environment's apparent inhospitability, offering an intriguing example of ecological specialization. Despite the widespread misconception that spiders are only found on land, their distinctive lifestyle and adaptations show how diverse and adaptable spiders are. Ogre-faced spider, Dinopode. The ogre-faced spider, or Dinopode, stands out in the diverse spider world because of its distinct hunting strategy and odd appearance. These spiders, which are indigenous to tropical and subtropical areas of the world, are fascinating examples of Mother Nature's ingenuity. The two huge, forward-facing eyes on the ogre-faced spider are among the largest in the spider kingdom in proportion to its size, giving it a peculiar appearance. They are skilled nocturnal hunters thanks to their adaptable eyes, which provide outstanding night vision. Instead of spinning a permanent web to trap prey, ogre-faced spiders produce a portable net-like web held by their front legs, which is both distinctive and effective in their hunting approach. When a prey insect enters range, they lunge forward, casting their web and entangling it in a split second. At night, they dangle upside down from a single silk thread, blending into their surroundings and patiently awaiting the ideal opportunity to strike. They take a nap during the day, hiding from potential predators beneath dead leaves or tree bark. Spiders are truly fascinating creatures that play a vital role in our ecosystems. Despite their often misunderstood reputation, they possess incredible abilities and are important contributors to maintaining balance in nature. From their intricate web-building skills to their impressive hunting techniques, spiders exhibit a level of adaptability and intelligence that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. So, the next time you encounter a spider, take a moment to appreciate the marvels of nature that it represents. Remember, these eight-legged wonders are not just creepy crawlers, but incredible survivors that deserve our respect and admiration. Let's embrace the diversity of life around us, including our eight-legged friends, and continue to explore the wonders of the natural world. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of spiders, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, keep exploring and marveling at the wonders of our incredible planet.